is Chloe.
I'm Adia.
And today we will be going on an immersion to Yogyakarta.
Our train is at 8. I hope it will be fun and educative.
Welcome to the Omah Laras Kate Sunti Kate Rawang Gilaharjo Pandak Bantul. And this place you will learn anything about gamelan. Gamelan is a Javanese music instrument. And then in this place you will learn about gamelan orchestra.
Hello, my name is Musa.
My name is Elena.
And my name is Sophie.
And today we are at
Omah Laras. In the third activity for my group, we actually explored the Javanese traditional instruments from Indonesia like gamelan and saran.
I explored more about making gamelans, which it contains cooling of the heated metal and much more.
For the first activity, we made some DIY stuff with coconut leaf, and there was a really nice people who helped us through the projects.
My name is Georgie.
My name is Jafan.
My name is Saki.
Okay, today we went to Srigatuk waterfall on a boat, and then there was like a lake beneath it, and we played around for like a little while.
And so after we played around, we basically swam back to like the port where it was, and it was like super tiring, but it was like super fun.
Cave tubing Pindu. In there, we started to swim across the cave. It was super fun and it was complete darkness. We can't see anything, but it was cool though to see like like the rocks that formed. After that, we head straight to the tip of the cave, and then we just jumped and jumped. It was super fun.
Itinerary for today was that we went to Gunung Merapi and we did a jeep tour and we saw museums filled with histories such as Mbah Marijam Gamelan, and he was the last person to evacuate from the explosion, and we had fun during the jeep adventure. And now we're currently at the Batik Workshop, and we just create batik with chanting, and it was pretty hard since it was hot, and yeah. And then we soaked the cotton with shirt coloring, and then now we're waiting for it to dry. We are in Sanggar Arilaka, and today we learned the dance of Ramayana. In this story, we used the last scene, and I played as the role of Sinta, which is the main character's wife. In my opinion, Cynthia's movements are quite intricate and complicated because to represent her emotions, you don't use dialogue, but you use hand signals.
I played a monkey troupe which followed the white monkey and supported the king. In my opinion, this role was quite simple and easy because all we had to do was a few moves, get down and sit down and wait for the whole story to end.
So first we went to the Studio Gampong and we learned about how people do makeup for actors that are going to be in movies. And we also looked at the set that they made. It's like a town. And we went through a lot of stuff. There were different sets like restaurants, shops. And then there was even like a garage, if I'm not too mistaken. And then after that, we visited Candi Prambanan. And first we went to like we cleaned some rocks, an activity we did as a workshop. And after that, we visited the temple and took some pictures there as we learned about some cultures and their religion. After that, we watched a performance about Ramayana and Dewi Sinta. It was very cool.
Morning, we went to the Yogyakarta Keraton. There we saw the house of the Sultan and the stuff that he collected. After that, we went to Malioboro to buy some ole-ole.
So we just finished our Jogja immersion, our 5-day Jogja immersion. It was a blast. I had so much fun. It was also very informative, and I think I made so many memories with my friends. So I would like to say thank you to BINUS for giving me this opportunity to spend my immersion with my friends. Thank you.